Oil prices reacted to the overall strengthening of the US dollar. As the greenback moved higher, oil depreciated as it usually happens due to a strong negative correlation between the two assets. Since the supply of the US dollar going to decline in the foreign exchange market, the same may be true for the commodities market. This in turn will inevitably lead to a gradual lowering of crude prices. As a result, falling oil prices will drag the Russian ruble down. Brent crude has once again bounced off the resistance level of $73.50 per barrel and moved lower. Notably, Brent repeated its trajectory from August 31st. As we can see, bears are facing support at the mark of $70 per barrel. A continued fall in oil prices may lead to a reduced volume of short positions on Brent, which is unlikely so far. The price is expected to fluctuate in a wide range in the coming days. Thus, Brent may surge above $70, reaching the level of 73 and then again retreating from this level. As for WTI crude, it was able to hit the level of $70.60 per barrel. First, WTI tested in a new high in the course of a correction and then entered a flat channel. As a result, traders cut the volume of long positions and the price reversed towards the level of $68.30 per barrel. If the quote holds below 68, this will open the way towards $67 a barrel. An alternative scenario will be possible if the price returns above the area of 69.60. Meanwhile, the dollar-ruble pair reached a local low of early August in the course of an extended downtrend. First, the shadow of a 4-hour candlestick broke through the level of 72.70, and then the volume of short positions began to decline. Besides, one of the technical indicators signaled oversold conditions of the US dollar. Based on technical analysis, specialists assume that there might be a change in the market sentiment. This may help the dollar-ruble pair resume an upward cycle. The nearest target for the pair is seen at 73.20. The picture looks similar for the euro-ruble pair. However, the pace of growth is not so rapid here. At the moment, the pair is trading at 86.5 rubles per euro with increased downside potential. Markets await more details from the European Central Bank this week. Until then, the euro-ruble pair is likely to fluctuate within the narrow range of 86.20 to 86.80. The weakening of the Russian currency was quite expected. Its reaction to the jobs report in the US was no different from other currencies. Yet, the ruble was steady on Friday, but began to depreciate on Monday. This is because the reversal in the foreign exchange market began out of trading hours for the ruble. Analysts predict that the ruble will extend its losses in the near term. Judging by the employment data, the US labor market is on track to recovery, which means that the Fed may soon start to roll back its QE program. At the moment, this factor serves as the main driver for the markets. And that is all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.